Hello everyone, Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks here. You join me today in Hout Bay, just outside Cape Town. This is a short video overview of a whole house Sonos installation that we completed earlier in 2023, and a brief overview of what we've done to achieve success in certain parts of the installation and the overall success of the project. Starting here in what we call the cinema room, we've got this giant 85-inch Samsung QLED television, which we've mounted up onto a Vogels pull and turn bracket. This allows us to have a very clean aesthetic at the bottom of the TV, where no wires are seen hanging below the TV. To enhance the sound of this room, we've got a Sonos ARC soundbar, we've got a Sonos Sub that brings in a lot of the bass within this room, and we've got a pair of Sonos One SLs on Vogels wall mount brackets at the back of the room to complete the surround sound experience. An absolutely awesome surround sound room. To provide music for the gym, we've got a Sonos 5 that fills up this whole space with really great high quality sound, including nice deep bass from this compact little speaker. This is the main living area of this fairly large house here in Hout Bay, and what we've got off to my right hand side is a nice big wood burning fireplace. There's a bar behind me with open plan through to the kitchen, and the dining room off to my left hand side. And so what we needed to do was figure out the best way to be able to fill this entire space with sound without being obtrusive, while also not having the ability to have floor standing speakers because this entire space opens up. So what we chose to do is to install some Sonance speakers up against this rafter, and the sound filters down and fills this entire area with sound. A solution that we feel has worked quite well for the requirements that our client had. We're on the mezzanine level just above the living area, and we've chosen this as the location for the Sonos amps to be located. This was a great location because there's power locally, as well as a route to get across the thatching all the way to our speakers that fill the main living area with sound, as well as a route to the outdoor patio where there's a pair of Sonance outdoor speakers as well. On the outdoor patio, we've installed a pair of Sonance by Sonos outdoor speakers. These are nice waterproof outdoor speakers which can be exposed to the elements, but fortunately in this installation we've actually got an overhead cover here, so they're actually not in direct rain, which adds to their longevity out here very close to the ocean. And these speakers sound fantastic. What we've chosen to do, similar to other installations, is play the speakers back towards the house so that there's reflected sound down to the pool area that filters down, and this is less impactful for most of the neighbors that are surrounding this house. A great solution that our client is really happy with. For our client's privacy, we haven't showcased, but we do also have Sonos Era 100 little bedside table speakers for music playback in the bedrooms, and those sound fantastic and offer the ability for each of the children to be able to listen to music individually on their own speaker in their own room. I hope that you've enjoyed this video overview of this Sonos installation that we've completed here in Hout Bay, just outside Cape Town. If you're looking for an installation like this, multi-room audio, where you've got the ability to play back music from your phone or any streaming services, or possibly enhance the audio quality from your television, get in contact. I'd be more than happy to assist. If you enjoy videos like this and would like to see more of what we get up to as a company, subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're shooting videos regularly of the work that we've completed, and it would be great to be able to bring you along on this journey as we share more of what we're really proud about.